Wow, this camera picks up a lot. Okay, where do I start? I am on my way to Kona right now. Currently waiting to board. I have partnered up with the hotel called MAUNA LANI Birch. It's a very luxe, very like expensive hotel, but I'll be teaching there hopefully twice a month. This is my first one, so I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. Try to get in as much footage. I'll be there for the next 5 days, so I have a lot to record hopefully, but I'll pretty much be teaching and hosting workshops and joining a lot of their like live events. But I'll try to bring you guys along as much as I can. This is super exciting for me. Pretty much like my first official work trip, I would say. So I'm gonna try to document it and bring you guys along. Stay tuned. Just landed in Kona. We are on our way to Mauna Lani right now. I have a driver. Okay.
Emancipation for the Awakened is the name.
This is his photography business. Emancipation for the Awakened. We are almost to the resort. As soon as we get to the resort, I'll try to film as much as I can to take you guys around. Otherwise, I will see you guys at the event tonight. I just checked into the resort. I just checked into my room. I'm just gonna give you guys like a little room tour. So you walk in here. This is the bathroom. Shower. Super nice, super roomy. There's another sink on this side, and I'm assuming this is a bathroom. This is obviously a closet. Just a simple closet. And then you walk in here. They recently just renovated, so everything's pretty new. They made everything really like boho beach vibes. But I have ocean view. This is the adult pool right here. It's like a super sunny, nice day. There's a patio, seating area, and super nice. I need this mirror in my house. Look at how nice this is. And they gave me a lei when I came in. So everything starts tomorrow. I actually flew in today because I was supposed to host a workshop while they were having a barbecue by the beach type of thing. I was supposed to be like teaching while they had that, but it actually got canceled last minute. So I have the rest of today to really just chill, walk around, probably go get some food. But everything starts tomorrow. So I'll be teaching in the morning on the South Lanai. I'll pretty much show you guys that tomorrow. I'll be teaching 9 to 12 on the South Lanai, and then from 2 to 5 I'll be teaching at the Surf Shack. Their Surf Shack is like obviously a little shack by the beach, but I'll be there tomorrow 2 to 5. So probably just hang out by the pool maybe today, and then get ready for tomorrow. Morning. It is about 6:30 right now. I just woke up, obviously. I'm gonna try to go to the gym, get a good workout in. My first workshop today is on the South Lanai, and it starts at 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna try to get a good workout in, come back, shower, try to grab some coffee and breakfast before I head down there. And then workshop is from 9 to 12. And then I have a break from 12 to 2. And then from 2 to 5, I have another workshop down at the Surf Shack by the beach. And then from 2 to 5, I have that workshop. After that workshop, I'm pretty much free to do whatever I want for the day. But let me show you the sunrise right now. Or not sunrise, but it's kind of windy out there. But this is the adult pool right here I can see from my lanai. And then I'll go out there and I'll show you guys around a little bit more, but this is the view from my room. Clearly nobody, oh, there's somebody out there. Gym outfit of the day. Making that a thing. Top is from Aritzia. Obviously leggings are from Lulu. Shoes are from Nike. Off to the gym. Okay, I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, so we are at the South Lawn now. I have one workshop starting at 9 o'clock, so it's 9 to 12. I have the leaves here on the ground. And then I'll try to get some clips here and there, but look at these views. It is currently 5 o'clock and I just finished my last workshop for the day. I literally started at 9 o'clock this morning. I had a morning session, afternoon session. I did forget to record the afternoon session. That one was with Uncle George. Uncle George is like their master weaver here on island. Typical local uncle that's been weaving for years and years and years. I think he was a beach boy back then, but he literally knows how to make every and anything you can think of with a coconut palm, which is crazy. So definitely learned a lot from him. He is definitely likes to talk about like mo'olelo. He likes to talk about the meaning behind everything. So I definitely learned a lot, which was amazing. But I did forget to record a lot of it, or all of it actually. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I'm same schedule tomorrow, same schedule on Sunday, so I'll try to record as much as I can. I am exhausted to say the least, but there's so many like picturesque, this resort is freaking ridiculous. So I'm gonna try to film another time lapse in their lobby area, that there's like this little bungalow area. So I'm gonna try to film a time lapse there. hang out by the pool for the rest of the night and then try to grab dinner somewhere and start it all over tomorrow. I'm gonna try to bring the camera around today to show you guys a little bit of the resort. I guess I never really show you guys the behind the scenes, but this is our backdrop for today. Prep the leaf, a little messy, but this is our setup. Look at that. Yay! Good morning. I woke up early, I got a good workout in. I'm about to start day 2 of the workshops and activities right in about 10 minutes. I'm gonna show you, this is a part of their lobby too. It's like a little jungle. I'm gonna try to film a time lapse here today. But this is the other half of the lobby. That's where I filmed the time lapse yesterday. And then this is where the workshop is today. The pool is right on the other side of that hedge. There's this little, I don't know, wall mural thing. And I got my hands on more leaves, some hats I made yesterday. But this is like the south lanai of their lobby. Open air concept. It's a beautiful day. Yesterday was super windy, but today is way better. I'll try to get some clips of people weaving here and there, but this is the setup for today. Good morning. It is currently 6 something in the morning. I am about to go to the gym and get a workout in. This is day 3. Yesterday was hectic, so busy. I honestly didn't get to film much. But today's the last day. I leave tonight. I have 2 more workshops, 1 more in the morning, 1 more in the afternoon. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can, but honestly, this whole vlogging thing is a lot of work. But I'm gonna go to the gym. I'll try to get a few more clips. I do still have to do like a cute little walk around the hotel. This is like the view from my room. It's crazy. Damn kids out there freaking running around making noise at 6 o'clock in the morning. But gym outfit, same shoes, leggings by Lulu, top by Lulu. And we're gonna go. It's gonna be a good day. Hope you guys have a good day too. And I'll catch up with you guys later. Can you guys hug each other? Cute. Okay, now turn around, face the wall, and then look up at me to show me your hat.
Yeah, like this?
Yeah, face that way, and then just look up. Yeah. Okay, can you step 2 steps this way? And then turn around. Nice. Perfect. Okay, and then turn around at me and smile. Cute. Oh, it is bright out here. I just finished my last workshop. Eventful weekend. I met a lot of awesome people while I'm here. Super blessed with this opportunity. Overall, I'm just very tired, exhausted, but very grateful. Can't wait till this vlog comes out. I didn't get to record as much as I could, but I'll be back here again next weekend. So I'll try to get more clips then too. Otherwise, happy Aloha Sunday. So happy to be flying home today. I actually fly out within the next 2 hours. Just filming this before I head out. But it has been an awesome trip. The weather has been so awesome. The vibes here are just amazing. Look at this. Obviously you guys probably saw this already, but like music all around. It's just vacation vibes, but I'm ready to go home. Otherwise, catch you guys later.